Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about BMW G310 GS showroom walk around. The BMW G310 GS is a motorcycle designed for those who seek adventure and versatility. Built with precision and engineered for both urban commutes and off-road escapades, it embodies the spirit of freedom on two wheels. Its compact size, combined with a powerful engine, makes it an ideal choice for riders of all levels. The single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine delivers a responsive performance, ensuring every twist of the throttle is met with excitement. Whether navigating city streets or exploring rugged trails, the G310 GS handles every challenge with ease. The bike features a robust suspension system, designed to absorb shocks and maintain stability on uneven terrain. Its lightweight frame ensures agility, while the ergonomic seating position offers comfort for long journeys. The signature GS design is instantly recognizable, with bold lines and a commanding presence on the road. The front beak, a hallmark of the GS family, adds to its aggressive look while enhancing aerodynamics. The high ground clearance allows for superior off-road capability, enabling riders to tackle obstacles with confidence. The G310 GS comes equipped with advanced technology, including a digital instrument cluster that provides essential information at a glance. Features like ABS and ride-by-wire throttle control enhance safety and performance, giving riders peace of mind on every ride. The bike's fuel efficiency makes it a practical choice for daily use, while its adventurous spirit invites riders to push beyond their limits. The BMW badge on the tank symbolizes quality, performance, and a legacy of excellence in motorcycle engineering. With a variety of color options and customizable accessories, the G310 GS can be tailored to reflect the rider's personal style. Its versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of riding conditions, from smooth highways to challenging mountain passes. The LED headlights provide excellent visibility, ensuring safe rides in all lighting conditions. The comfortable seat accommodates both rider and passenger, making it a great option for shared adventures. The G310 GS's nimble handling and responsive braking system provide a sense of control that instills confidence in any environment. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver through traffic, while its sturdy build ensures durability for long-term use. The bike's suspension is finely tuned to offer a smooth ride, even on bumpy roads and rough trails. The exhaust system is designed to produce a distinctive sound, adding to the bike's character and appeal. The G310 GS is not just a motorcycle, it's a statement of independence and a gateway to new experiences. Its blend of style, performance, and practicality makes it a standout choice in the adventure bike segment. Riders can rely on BMW's renowned engineering and attention to detail, knowing that every component is built to the highest standards. The bike's lightweight design doesn't compromise on power, offering a thrilling ride without overwhelming newer riders. Its intuitive controls and user-friendly features make it accessible to a broad audience, from beginners to seasoned adventurers. The G310 GS's design is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with every element serving a purpose while contributing to its overall look. The comfortable ergonomics reduce fatigue, allowing riders to enjoy longer trips without discomfort. The bike's versatility means it's equally at home on city streets, country roads, and off-the-beaten-path trails. The G310 GS is more than just transportation, it's an invitation to explore the world with confidence and style. Its combination of cutting-edge technology, reliable performance, and iconic design make it a leader in its class. The BMW G310 GS offers an unparalleled riding experience, blending adventure and practicality into one exceptional package. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a cross-country journey, the G310 GS is ready to take you there. Its robust build and innovative features make it a trusted companion for any rider, delivering both excitement and reliability on every trip. The adventure starts with the turn of the key, as the engine roars to life, ready to conquer the road ahead. With the BMW G310 GS, every ride is an opportunity to discover new places and create unforgettable memories. The bike's advanced braking system ensures precise stopping power, even in challenging conditions, enhancing rider safety. Its lightweight chassis and balanced weight distribution make for effortless handling, whether navigating tight city corners or winding mountain roads. The G310 GS is designed to inspire confidence in every rider, providing a sense of security without sacrificing the thrill of the ride. Its responsive throttle and smooth power delivery make for an exhilarating experience, whether cruising at highway speeds or tackling off-road trails. The bike's modern design and high-quality materials reflect BMW's commitment to excellence and innovation. The G310GS offers a perfect balance of performance and comfort, making it a versatile choice for riders who demand more from their motorcycles. Its spacious fuel tank allows for extended rides without frequent stops, perfect for long-distance adventures. The digital display provides real-time information, from speed and fuel levels to trip data, keeping riders informed at all times. The bike's design emphasizes both form and function, ensuring that it looks as good as it performs. The G310GS is built to handle a variety of terrains, from smooth asphalt to rugged dirt roads, offering endless possibilities for exploration. Its compact size and lightweight frame make it easy to transport and store, adding to its convenience. The bike's advanced suspension system and responsive handling provide a smooth, controlled ride in all conditions. The G310GS is a testament to BMW's dedication to creating motorcycles that deliver exceptional performance, style, and reliability. Every ride on the G310GS is an adventure waiting to happen, offering riders the freedom to explore new horizons. Its combination of cutting-edge technology and classic BMW design makes it a standout choice in the adventure bike category. The G310GS is more than just a motorcycle, it's a lifestyle choice for those who crave adventure and the open road. Its powerful engine, advanced features, and rugged design make it a top choice for riders looking to push their limits. Whether you're navigating busy city streets or venturing off the beaten path, the G310GS is ready to take you there with style and confidence. The bike's ergonomic design ensures a comfortable ride, even on long journeys, while its advanced safety features provide peace of mind. The G310GS is a versatile, reliable, and stylish motorcycle that offers an unparalleled riding experience for adventurers of all kinds. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.